welcome back to this episode of Drone Wars. And on the last episode, you guys asked for a tiny whoop version of Drone Wars, and I know that Only Drones suggested the Meteor 75 versus the Air65 Wisp, but let's work up to that. Let's do something a bit different for the first one. We've got the original Air65 on the left, and on the right we've got the HDZero Mobula6 Freestyle. So we're going to start first and foremostly with this on price, and I'm going to use a company in this country who've been really good to me, Your FPV. We can sort of see the website. Can't see the website, but if I get time, I'll flash it on the screen. The Mobula6 is coming in at £159, and the BetaFPV Air65 is coming in at £79. So the HDZero one is more than double the price. And we're not looking at price versus performance or price versus equipment. We are looking solely at price. So on this particular one, the Air65 from BetaFPV will take the win. This category might be something that I forgot yesterday. Weight, 20 grams for the HDZero. And the Air65, 18 grams. So the winner of that round, and I know I've got a different canopy on it, but actually it works out to be the same with the original canopy anyway. So the winner of that round is the BetaFPV Air65, taking a commanding 2-0 lead. So moving on now to flight time. And ultimately they both 1S whoops, and the HDZero is 2 grams heavier, which 2 grams at this sort of weight does make all the difference. So all things being equal, the BetaFPV is going to take the win on flight time. But again, I must remind you, this is paper thin margins. However, the BetaFPV is now 3-0 up. Let's move on. Moving on then to performance, and the way the crafts fly very, very similar. They've got the same size props, generally speaking, unless you got one of the special edition race versions of the BetaFPV. They've got the same sort of motors, the same flight controllers. Where the performance is better, and you might argue I probably should leave this one until a later category, is camera. The camera performance of the HDZero is better, and again we're talking paper thin margins here, so the only thing I can separate them on is going to be that. So therefore we're going to give this one to the HDZero Mobula6, bringing the score back to 3-1. Innovation and features. There isn't a huge amount of innovation in these until you move to the HDZero, and they've innovated with a 5-in-1 flight controller. You've got the HDZero digital VTX built into it, whereas the BetaFPV Air65, as good as it is for an analog tiny whoop, it is still an analog tiny whoop at the end of the day. So when it comes to innovation, I'm going to give the point to the HDZero, and this is going to take this to 3-2. Next up then is camera quality, and again, as we touched on in the performance section, the HDZero is going to win this hands down. Although HDZero is technically digital, it's still also technically analog plus, but it is at the end of the day better than the standard analog, and for that reason HDZero Mobula6 takes this round and brings the score back to 3-3. And that brings us to our final category then, the Angry Karen noise scale. And because they both have the same size props, generally speaking the same size motors, generally speaking they both put out about the same amount of noise, they're both as discreet as each other, I'm actually going to call this one a draw. And we're going to have a tiebreaker because it is now 4-4 and we've got no more categories left. So let's move on to the tiebreak question. By the way, we have never had a draw before. We've never had a tiebreaker question before, should I say. So I don't actually know what I'm going to do, and you guys didn't know I was going to do this, but more importantly, I didn't know I was going to do this either. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to find a tiebreak question and I'll come back to you. So I've racked my brain and I've thought of what is the best tiebreak question to ask. And actually, I've decided that I'm not going to ask one. I'm going to let you guys vote for it. So I'm going to put a little link in the description or in the comments section down below, and it'll take you to the community post, and you can vote for whoever you think is the winner. And at the start of the next episode of Drone Wars, we will declare whoever's won that poll wins this round of Drone Wars. So please get down there and get voting, and until next time, you've all been absolute legends. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, commenting, and the rest. Peace out, everybody. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.